All right, everybody, here we go. We got winner's choice. 3 different kinds of birds to choose from, 6 spots. Let's get it fired up. Start at 5:58 p.m. PayPal proof right here. Philip Floyd right there. And then the other 2 were over here in Venmo. So we are going to go to random.org and get a 1 through 6 winner. Random.org, connection is secure, certificate is valid. Couple of refreshes. And 6. 1 through 6, good luck, everybody. Hey, number 2 is your winner. Winner at 5:58 p.m. Just switched to 5:59. Number 2 was Josh. Nice win, Josh. Send me a message. Let me know your choice of disc and your mailing address. I will get it shipped out. Thanks, everyone. I appreciate it. 5:59 p.m. and stay